Decoding the phrase, root level. Hello there, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to explore and understand the phrase, root level. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. When you think of a root, what comes to mind? Perhaps you think of the part of a plant that goes deep into the soil. Roots provide a strong foundation for plants, anchoring them in place and absorbing nutrients and water. In this sense, the root is the base or the starting point for a plant's growth. When we use the phrase, root level, in English, we're often not talking about plants at all. Instead, we're referring to the basic or fundamental level of something. Just as a tree's roots are its foundation, when something is at the root level, it is at its most foundational or basic stage. For example, when someone says, "We need to address the problem at the root level," they mean that we need to tackle the core or fundamental cause of the problem, not just its surface symptoms. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. To really understand a language, you need to learn it at the root level. 2. The company decided to make changes at the root level to improve its culture. 3. We need to study the issue from the root level to find a lasting solution. From these examples, you can see that root level refers to a deep, foundational understanding or approach. So, dear learners, root level is a phrase that helps us express the idea of getting to the very foundation or base of something. It reminds us to delve deep and not just skim the surface. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase, and you can now use root level confidently in your conversations. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.